Quick no-bake Moroccan date and almond energy bars. Makes 8 bars. Prep time 15 minutes. Let's make a sweet and spiced snack. 12 pitted mid-jewel dates. These are the sweet base for our bars. 1 cup of toasted almonds. They add crunch and nutty flavor. Half cup of rolled oats. They help bind and add chewiness. 2 tablespoons of honey. For a touch of natural sweetness and cohesion. 1 tablespoon of melted coconut oil. It helps the bars hold their shape. 1 teaspoon of ground cinnamon. Classic Moroccan warmth. 1/4 teaspoon of ground cardamom. Adds fragrant spice. Zest of half an orange. For bright citrus notes. A pinch of sea salt. It balances the sweetness. Now we will begin preparing the recipe. Pit 12 dates and place them in a food processor bowl. Add 1 cup of toasted almonds and pulse until coarsely chopped, about 10 pulses. Add half cup of rolled oats and pulse 3 to 4 times to incorporate. Spoon in 2 tablespoons of honey and 1 tablespoon of melted coconut oil. Add 1 teaspoon of ground cinnamon, 1/4 teaspoon of ground cardamom, the zest of half an orange, and a pinch of salt. Process until the mixture clumps together when pressed, about 1 minute of pulsing. Transfer the mixture to a parchment-lined 8 by 6-inch pan and press firmly into an even layer. Top with a few whole toasted almonds pressed gently into the surface. Chill in the refrigerator for at least 30 minutes until firm. Lift the mixture from the pan using the parchment and cut into 8 bars with a sharp knife. Serve immediately or store in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 7 days. This is the final step. Enjoy your bars and thank you for watching. Those were no-bake Moroccan date and almond energy bars. If you liked this recipe, please like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more quick snacks.